Okay, so today we are going to be drawing Shimo from Godzilla X Kong: The New Empire. So we're going to be drawing him like 2024. So this is what I'm trying to draw, that I'm just going to do on video to show you how to draw it. So first draw a V sort of shape, like here. That. And so then so I recommend you using pencil and eraser because I mess up a lot on this. So I drew this part a bit too big. So what you might be hearing is rain from outside. The rain is because there's a tropical storm happening right now. It has nothing to do with in the future. So you can just kind of draw this smaller, like that. Then so like that, and then some just scale marks. And then we can move on to his brow. Curve. That. That. And then just curve down. Go back up. Like that. So that. And this is looking good so far. Yeah, so like that first. And then this goes up. So just a little erase there. So we have his nose, whatever it is, he or she, I don't know. But Shimo is my third favorite Titan, just behind Ghidorah and Godzilla. Wherever that goes. I'm not drawing that just yet. Yeah, like that. But first, now you can still kind of see that. Okay, I'm gonna fix it. You can just probably fast forward the video right now if you need to. Just wait a bit. Like that. Just like that, and then here. That. So just make his tongue stick out from here, and then yeah, it's still a lot of rain outside. It's expected to flood. So just have a 3D shape on this. Like that, and then keep making it this. And then we'll just keep going. This is gonna look much better when this head is done. Now, Now we can do the body. That. And then we can add some detail. So I'll just keep going. Just make some texture lines with a scale. And then more. So just keep going. And this part. Right now, that's wrong. So this is why I don't use a Sharpie. And because it like goes through papers like that's why I just don't use that kind of stuff. Just use stuff so I don't mess up. So that's a lot of rain outside. Tornado warning. Sheesh. Whatever. It's a lot. So, like, I don't want to have a bunch of lines through this picture because another time when I was drawing Shimo, I had a bunch of lines through Shimo that I don't want with this one. So, pretty much, I don't have a lot of other stuff. Okay, that. And then have some scales. That. And then, so, I have crystals. I was about to say spikes, but that's Godzilla doesn't. Godzilla has spikes, not Shimo. How these spikes are. I do not want to get directly like how the movie is, because it would just mess everything up and I'd take way too long doing this. So I'm gonna try to take as quick as possible. Well, if I'm going too fast, you can just hit the pause button. If you forgot about that or didn't know that was kind of like a, yep, there's another line, kind of like a pause button. You normally like just get the mouse and, yeah, you know. So, done. And finally all we have left is tail. So like, for some reason, has this ever come into your head if you watched Godzilla X Kong the New Empire, if he doesn't seem like a Hollow Earth Titan? Like, it's like Hollow Titans, I don't know why, like Hollow Earth Titans, I don't know why they put green stuff in them, which not really anybody likes to see. Whatever. So I don't know why it's, every time I'm trying to watch something on how Scar King captured Shimo, it doesn't say how, it just says how. Then how did he find the crystal thing? It just doesn't make sense. Wait, I don't remember if I was, so whatever. I don't remember. So just going. So all we have to do is just not gonna be able to see that very well. Looks like that. And so, are we done yet? Yeah, we might be done. So that's Shimo from Godzilla X Kong the New Empire, How to Draw Shimo 2024. And okay. So that might be it for how to draw Shimo from Godzilla X Kong the New Empire.